Welcome to WeLearn. This is session number 16 of Business Intelligence and Tools. In this session, we are going to cover following topics: Business Intelligence Platform, BI Platform Capability Matrix. First of all, what is BI Platform? That is Business Intelligence Platform. The Business Intelligence Platform permits to rapidly obtain information from the corporate system as well as your database. वो डाटाबेस जहाँ से आप इंफॉर्मेशन को रिट्रीव करते हैं जस्ट टू टेक डिसीजन, तो जो आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है वो आपको परमिट करता है कि आप एक कॉर्पोरेट सिस्टम या डाटाबेस दोनों में से कभी भी किसी भी टाइम कितनी भी अमाउंट में इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. द BI प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज द डिसिमिलरिटी ग्रैनुअल information scattered across the multiple systems into a meaningful reusable business definition, as well as it makes the analytical insight across the organization. जितना भी आपने अलग अलग डाटाबेसेस से इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया है वो एक डिसिमिलर सब्जेक्ट से होती है. मोर ओवर उनका आपस में कोई रिलेशनशिप भी नहीं होता. जस्ट बिकॉज हमने उन्हें अलग अलग वेज से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके जो कि एक स्कैटर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन थी जस्ट एक जगह इंटीग्रेट किया है, then we need to convert them into a meaningful and a reusable business definition to make the analytical insight across the organization. The use of the common business terms in combination with the simple drag and drop report creation will please the employees at all the skill levels. The integration of querying, reporting and analyzing into a simple interface will remove the need to learn many products, because ultimately हमें डाटाबेस से ऊपर कोई क्वेरी करनी होती है, वहाँ से रिपोर्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी होती है और इन सब काम को करने के लिए हमें उसे एनालाइज करना होता है. तो अगर ये तीनों हमें एक सिंगल इंटरफेस में अवेलेबल हो जाएं तो हमें हर एक प्रोडक्ट को बिल्कुल डीपली लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. द BI allows all the users to save the reports in a custom document hierarchy. That means जो वो चाहते हैं जस्ट उसी को ही इंक्लूड करें अपने रिपोर्ट में और बाकी सब ऑप्शंस को वो छोड़ सकते हैं. BI should allow the users to get the answers for a specific data needs or the organization problems. Compared to other BI platform that needs the IT to generate reports or custom built OLAP cubes, OLAP is online analytical processing cubes, the business objects allows the business users to access as well as analyze the data themselves. The BI solutions also protect the business users from the complexities of the database, because database के अंदर हम एक ही सब्जेक्ट से डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट्स को डील करते हैं. तो BI सॉल्यूशंस की हेल्प से हम जो मेन चीज़ है डाटाबेस से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके जस्ट उसी को ही प्रिजर्व करते हैं ताकि जो आपके बिजनेस यूजर्स हैं वो उनको यूज़ करके कोई भी डिसीजन मेक कर सकें. द BI प्लेटफॉर्म प्रेजेंट्स द डाटा इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ कॉमन बिजनेस टर्म्स so the users can easily understand that particular information. At the end, the users can spend less time in gathering the information. Best in class web-based reporting as well as analysis. Now, accessing the analytical information through a web browser restrict the user to a simplistic report, because अगर आप वेब पे कर रहे हैं तो जैसी वेबसाइट पे आपको रिपोर्ट वेबसाइट्स के डेवलपर ने अवेलेबल करवा रखी है आपको उसी को ही यूज़ करना है. उसके अंदर आके आप चेंज कर सकते हैं और ना ही उसके अंदर कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं. द वेब इंटेलिजेंस गिव्स द पावर ऑफ द वेब टू रीच द ब्रॉड बेस्ड ऑडियंस ऑफ इंटरनल एज वेल एज योर एक्सटर्नल यूजर्स at the lowest possible cost, and also delivering the intuitive and rich analysis to the thin client users. Moreover, the web users can access and also create new report, sort and filter your data and calculations, drill down to explore the information in a greater detail, because जितना आपको डिटेल के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी उतना ही आप इजीली उसको यूज़ करके डिसीजन मेक कर सकते हैं. देन leveraging the information assets. Important data is often spread across a wide range of sources as well as your systems. The report needs information that is in the ERP, that is your enterprise resource planning, your CRM, that is customer relationship management, and other applications as well as your spreadsheets or lab database or data warehouse. The BI platform can access all these information, bringing together the right information to make sure that a complete picture of the enterprise is available to drive the important business decision. अल्टीमेट टास्क हमारा एक डिसीजन को लेना है और वो तब तक नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो करेक्टली गैदर ना की जाए. If we take an example of a single report user which combines the data from a data mart with the data from spreadsheet, plus it also had some data from OLAP Cube or CRM, that is your customer relationship management system. In this, the semantic layer within the BI platform insulates the user from the particular data construct and complexities of all of the underlying sources, because जहाँ से आप डाटा ले रहे हैं उनके सोर्सेज अलग अलग थे. एक बार ही आपने डाटा लिया था डाटा मार्ट से, देन फ्रॉम स्प्रेडशीट्स एंड लास्टली फ्रॉम ओलैप क्यूब. क्योंकि इनके बेसिस डिफरेंट है, फिर भी जो हमारी एक सीमेंटिक लेयर होती है बीआई प्लेटफॉर्म में, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप डाटा किस सोर्स से एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो. सर्विंग द नीड्स ऑफ एवरी यूजर, द प्लेटफॉर्म क्वेरिंग, reporting and analyzing the products will deliver easy to use analysis to all kinds of user, whether accessing the information of a thin client environment with web intelligence, creating a report in Windows or analyzing data in Microsoft Excel. The BI platform makes sure that all the employees should have the same common business definition and information to give a consistent basis for decision making across the enterprises. जैसे कि पहले हमने देखा कि जो हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करी वो डिफरेंट सोर्सेज से थी, तब भी सीमेंटिक लेयर पे उसका कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा. ऐसे ही ये भी हो सकता है कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको अल्टीमेटली आपको डिफरेंट डेस्टिनेशंस पे यूज़ करना है. सो द रीज़न इज सेम. जो भी आपको यूज़ करना है, यू कैन यूज़ दैट पर्टिकुलर डाटा टू मेक अ डिसीजन. इन दिस वी हैव एंटरप्राइज 6. विद दिस, the delivery of the precise and significant information to the mass audience through the report broadcasting can be obtained by this Enterprise 6. Comprehensive delivery option. While delivering the information to the mass audience, it is vital to give an interface that serves all the users irrespective of the analytical as well as your technical skills. Thus, the information delivery process will have to be both intuitive and easy to follow. The Enterprise 6 will provide the information in a format designed to support all the required skill levels, as well as users can access the information and the reports through the portal or the dashboard. In this, the information delivery option will support all the popular formats. Performance and scalability. Getting the most of the BI solution requirements, the enterprise class performance and scalability is the most which we need to consider. The user will expect the fast response time as they navigate and analyze the data irrespective of whether the system is deployed to a few users in a department or 1,000 of users. Means it doesn't matter कि कितने users currently उसे use कर रहे हैं, हमें अपनी particular information को navigate करना है and हमें उसे analyze भी करना है just to get a correct decision. The comprehensive auditing will allow the continuous refinement as well as tuning of the information resources. Centralized administration and security. The user's information requirements can differ based on their job roles, the department, the specific products, factors, both. However, some information may be sensitive so that only certain users or groups will be allowed to access it. So, the BI platform gives a robust security model that integrates with the existing security as well as your authenticated systems. Information in the organizations are the most valuable asset and will have to be controlled who can have access to it. To extend the business intelligence intelligence solutions to the suppliers as well as to the partners, it can become even more significant to make sure a secure environment, because जो information आपकी उस particular database या BI platform पे है वो just business purposes के लिए है और हो सकता है कि वो इतनी confidential हो कि हमें उसे secure करना सबसे first priority हो. Then continuous refinement of the information resources. A BI platform only gives value if the person use it. Report have to answer the end users most important business questions. अगर वो रिपोर्ट वो आंसर ही नहीं दे पाती देन आपकी रिपोर्ट वेस्टफुल है, बिकॉज उसके अंदर वो आंसर्स ही नहीं है जो आपको बिजनेस क्वेश्चंस जो रेज हुए हैं उनको हम आंसर कर पाएँ. The BI is the only solution which gives the report auditing capability to help the organization in understanding the report auditing capabilities, and that to help the organizations. The information can be used to improve the target and to tune the available reports to make sure that the users obtain maximum value. Most valuable BI platform on the market. The BI platform is lessening the gap between the availability of information as well as the capability to analyze and understanding it. So BI platform का मेन पर्पस होता है गैप को फिल करना, कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है उस सोर्स के बीच में से, और आप उस पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन को कैसे एनालाइज कर सकते हैं और अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं, इसके बीच का गैप फिल करने के लिए हमें BI प्लेटफॉर्म की नीड होती है. Users can query, report, analyze as well as share within and beyond the organization for the more effective tracking, understanding and management of the business operations. Now BI platform compatibility matrix, or we also call it as BI platform capability matrix. The BI platform capability matrix sets the technical details of the BI platform capabilities. BI प्लेटफॉर्म की क्या क्या कैपेबिलिटीज हैं उनको हमने मर्ज करके एक मैट्रिक्स बनाया है जो कि है आपका BI प्लेटफॉर्म मैट्रिक्स. This particular matrix serves as the high level guide to understand the technical capabilities of each vendor's shipping products. Beyond the vendor selection, the capability matrix should basically be used as an architectural guide to what should be included in a comprehensive BI platform. BI platforms enables users to build applications that help organizations to learn and understand their business. Gathering defines a BI platform as a software platform that delivers 13 capabilities. So जो गार्टनर है उसने डिफाइन किया है BI प्लेटफॉर्म को 13 कैपेबिलिटीज के अंदर, और उन सबको कंबाइन करके ये कहा जाता है कि एक BI प्लेटफॉर्म एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो ये 13 की 13 कैपेबिलिटीज को डिलीवर करता है. These capabilities are organized into 3 categories. One is your integration, second is information delivery and last is analysis. हमने 13 कैपेबिलिटीज को डिवाइड किया है इन तीनों कैटेगरीज में. This is the diagram of these 3 phases: information delivery, integration and analysis. In information delivery we have reporting, dashboards, ad hoc query and your Microsoft Office integration. But in integration we have BI infrastructure, metadata management, development environment and your workflow. In analysis phase, OLAP, visualization, predictive modeling and scorecarding. Now we discuss one by one each of them. First of all, information delivery. Information delivery is the core focus of most BI products or projects today, but we are seeing an increase in interest in deployments of analysis to just discover new insights and an integration to implement those insights. In integration phase, the first we have is BI infrastructure. In BI infrastructure we have all the tools which are used the same security, metadata administration, portal integration, object model as well as your query engine that should share the same look and feel. So infrastructure means कैसे वो फिजिकली आपको अपीयर होते हैं और कैसे वो इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. सो वो सारे टूल्स जिनका सेम स्ट्रक्चर है, वो सेम सिक्योरिटी, मेटाडाटा इन सब को शेयर करते हैं, तो हम उसे BI इंटरफेस का पार्ट ले लेते हैं. सेकेंड इज योर metadata management. In metadata management, not only should all the tools have the same metadata, but the offering should provide a robust way to search, capture, store, reuse as well as to publish the metadata objects. And the objects are dimensions, hierarchies, measures and your performance metrics. Next is your development tool. The BI platform should provide a set of pragmatic development tools and a visual development environment, which is coupled with a software developer's kit for creating BI applications and that for integrating them into a business process and embedding them into another application. In particular, BI platform, it should enable the developers to build an BI applications without coding by using a wizard like components or a graphical assembly process. हमें जस्ट कंपोनेंट्स में अपनी वेबसाइट्स को डिजाइन करना है, डेवलप करना है without any coding. So it can be possible by using this development tools because we just need to develop it, not coding part. Then is collaboration. This capability enables BI users to share with discuss information and manage hierarchies as well as your metrics via discussion threads. Either the embedded in BI platform or through integration with collaboration, analytical master, data management, that is your MDM, and your social software. Second is your information delivery, and in this we first have reporting. Reporting provides the ability to create formatted as well as interactive reports. Interactive reports means parameterized. हर एक पैरामीटर के ऊपर आपने उसके अंदर एक मेंशन कर रखा है क्लॉज, और जिससे यूजर उससे इंटरैक्ट कर सकता है जस्ट टू गेट एन एक्यूरेट इंफॉर्मेशन. दैट इज योर रिपोर्टिंग. देन वी हैव डैशबोर्ड. This subset of reporting includes the ability to publish formal as well as your web-based reports with intuitive interactive displays of information, and this particular includes your dials, sliders, check boxes and traffic lights. ऐसी चीज़ें जिससे आप फॉर्मली इंटरैक्ट करते हैं जो कि सबसेट होता है आपकी रिपोर्ट का. These displays indicates the state of the performance metric which is compared with a goal. In this we next have ad hoc query. This capability enables users to ask their questions of the data without relying on IT to create a report, and in particular the tools must have a robust semantic layer to allow users to navigate अवेलेबल डाटा सोर्सेज. सो इन हेडर क्वेरी हमारे पास एक सिमेंटिक लेयर होती है जिससे यूजर इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं और इजीली एक डाटा सोर्स से दूसरे डाटा सोर्स तक नेविगेट कर सकते हैं. इन दिस वी लास्ट हैव माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस इंटीग्रेशन. In some cases, BI platform are used as a middle tier just to manage, secure and execute the BI task. But Microsoft Office acts as a BI client, that is business intelligence client. In information delivery, we next have search-based BI. This applies a search index to both your structured as well as unstructured data sources and maps them into a classification structure of dimensions and measures that users can easily navigate. In this, the best example is Google, because Google एक आपका ऐसा सर्च इंजन है जिसमें आप अपनी सर्च एंटर करते हैं और अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वो आपको रिट्रीव करके देता है इंफॉर्मेशन. This capability extends beyond keyword searching of BI platform content as well as your metadata. Last is your analysis phase. In this we first have OLAP, that is online analytical processing. This enables end users to analyze data with extremely fast query and calculation performance by enabling the slicing and dicing process. In this, users are able to easily navigate the multi-dimensional drill paths. Interactive visualization. This gives the ability to display numerous aspects of the data more sufficiently or effectively by using interactive pictures, charts instead of that rows and column. Next we have predictive modeling and data mining. In this is capability which enables organization to classify the categorical variables. means हर एक की कैटेगरी बना देते हैं और उस कैटेगरी पे बेस्ड ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उनसे इंटरैक्ट करती है. In this we are using the mathematical techniques. Last is your scorecards. These take the metrics disabled in a dashboard a step further by applying them to a strategy maps that aligns KPI, that is key performance interfaces, with the strategic objectives. Now is do it yourself. Firstly, explain the BI platform. BI platform क्या है, हम उसे कैसे यूज करते हैं और वो आपको क्या क्या functionalities provide करता है. And then explain the BI platform compatibility matrix. In this you need to explain all the three parts, that is your information delivery, integration and analysis. Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.